Hey skincare lovers! Today I'm diving into the world of GlamGlow SuperMud clearing treatment. If your skin feels congested or you've been battling breakouts, this could be your new secret weapon. First off, let's talk about what's inside this little jar of magic. It's packed with 6 powerful acids: salicylic, glycolic, lactic, mandelic, pyruvic, and tartaric. These ingredients work together to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brighten your complexion. Basically, they help to deep clean your skin from within. So, how do you use it? It's super simple. Just apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. You'll feel a tingling sensation. That's how you know it's working. Then, rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Now, a quick tip. Always patch test before fully committing to avoid any skin reactions. And remember, this isn't an everyday mask. Use it 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin's needs. What I love about GlamGlow SuperMud is how it tackles multiple skin issues at once. Whether you're dealing with blackheads, oiliness, or uneven texture, this mask has got you covered. And let's not forget the instant results. After just one use, my skin felt smoother and looked clearer. It's like a mini facial in a jar. So, if you're ready to transform your skin and give it that extra glow, give GlamGlow SuperMud a try. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy masking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Until next time, stay glowing.